This lesson covers regular French verb conjugations under the imperfect subjunctive. All French verbs belong to one of three verb groups, ER, IR, or RE verbs, and each group of verbs have their own conjugations, or verb endings, depending on the tense, mood, and subject being used. The French subject pronouns are je, tu, il, elle, nous, vous, il, elle, and vous can also be used as the formal singular version of you, whereas tu is informal and cannot be plural like vous. Under the imperfect subjunctive for ER verbs, we take the predicate il, elle form of the verb and add the imperfect subjunctive endings afterwards. For IR and RE verbs, we take the predicate il, elle form of the verb as well, but we remove the T ending, and then to that stem we add the respective imperfect subjunctive endings afterwards. All three verb groups share one common set of imperfect subjunctive endings: s, s, sion, sie, s. For the verb parler, the il, elle predicate form is parla, so we use this as the stem for the imperfect subjunctive. Parlas, parlas, parla, parlation, parlasiez, parlas. For choisir, its il, elle predicate form is choisi. We remove the T, giving us the stem choisi. And to this we add the respective imperfect subjunctive endings afterwards. Choisis, choisis, choisi, choisissions, choisissiez, choisis. For vendre, its il, elle predicate form is vendit. We remove the T, giving us the stem vendit. And to this we add the respective imperfect subjunctive endings afterwards. Vendis, vendis, vendi, vendition, vendissiez, vendis. And that sums up the regular French verb conjugations under the imperfect subjunctive. I again apologize for any mispronunciations I may have, as I am not a French speaker. As I always say, I would very much appreciate it if you could please do me a favor and share this video series with your friends and teachers. And that is all for now, so until next time.